Hello guys, today we are at Everts in Spain for the shooting of the Nestaan Factory Racing team. Just follow along, we will show you a little bit of behind the scenes, so hope you will enjoy it. And yeah. Here is the whole new bike for Kai. Let us know. How much do you like it? Oh, it's a 10 out of 10. Wow, beautiful. Here the guys, they will shoot the videos with this bike, with the bike of Kai. And here we continue the pictures with Liam's bike.
That's a team effort.
Good job, guys.
It's about the rain and still wearing shorts.
No, but that's kind of why I wore shorts.
Yeah.
I thought my jeans are never going to dry tomorrow if it rains. Yeah.
I wanted just to do something different, so
Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
made like this.
We're going home. That's all I can say.
We eat.
Going home. Good night.
So we start today with the factory racing team and some action and then our stock bikes. So follow along.
Great day to be shooting. I'll go fix the track.
Good job.
Here we go.
Here is like the pictures part with Motocross and stuff and Kai coming because we are shooting his bike at the moment. And here is the video part with the bike of Liam.
Wireless.
Are you ready for the 2026?
Question mark.
Are you ready for the 2024 season?
2024?
2026 season.
Okay, then we have a... No. He is back, and it all kicks off in Argentina.
Okay.
So we are pretty much done with everything. Photos, videos individually as well, all the sponsoring work. Now we will need the guys just behind to do photos and videos all together. It's 11:30, so after that I think we will eat, and then this afternoon ready for some action, so that's pretty nice. The weather is good, track is a bit wet, but we're all good.
The green tree, yeah? The green one, like they're on.
They're always green, Rob.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Nope, you have not.
Oh no.
Not fixed. Well, I'm more positive now than I was. It's actually pretty sunny. So I think the riding is going to be good. We've done the statics. It's always a long time waiting to get riding, but it's midday and we're ready to ride now, so I think it's going to be dry enough. We're good.
I'm glad you had that set up.
We can go home now.
I got the shot. I got the shot.
Oh, I'm gonna get fired. Nobody.
This is the shot. Bava, you're out.
Yeah. I know. I got the shot too.
at the tree.
Why did you do that? I thought there was going to be a reaction.
No reaction.
And that's a wrap. So we are here for day 3 of shoots, but this one is the best one. This one is the fun one. We did the business side of things. We did the team shooting with Kaido Wolf and Liam Everts, and now we get to have some fun. We're shooting our model year 27 bike. So we have a 125, a 250 and a 450, and we're just getting the statics now, and then we're going to do some riding.
I'm gonna need a favor from you guys.
let's do that, yeah.
We need to move one bike.
Okay.
Great job, guys. I could be a mechanic.
Let's see. Yeah, that was not bad, eh? For first time?
For a
For a first time.
For a first timer.
Lift with your knees. Lift with your knees, not your back. And 3, 2, 1. You guys are not so good at this. Andreas, where are you going? Update of the day. We've had to cancel our action part of the shooting because it's too windy. And now we're gonna have some lunch, have a debrief, and go again tomorrow. Alright, it's 9 AM here at Nestaan. We're on day 4 of shootings. Today we're going to start with the action on our model year 27 bikes. Yeah, it should be a really exciting day. We have the guys just getting kitted up, getting ready, and we're going to start with a little intro shot before we get into the action. So, yeah.
Yeah, we are putting the pressure on the forks to have more comfortable on the riding for our rider. On this one I put now for them 13 bar. Yeah, depends then of the speed and the level of the riders, but actually it goes between 10 to 13.
The first one was like 10. First one was like 10, so I need you at like 9. Like not too crazy, but crazy enough.
Alright, another training, boys. What are those? I mean, let's try those. What's this shot? Oh, 125, I haven't rode that in ages. I want to give this a go. Alright, let's do rock, paper, scissors then. I'll take the big dog.
Gonna park them there and use that tabletop as a background. Ik kan niet van stap beelden onder ik program als echt komen.
I just rode the Husqvarna TC 125 with wheels, WP suspension, an exhaust, Motorex oil in there, a Pro Taper handlebar on there. It has a frame as well, a brake. a throttle, a clutch, and then it's actually pretty fast. So go buy one now. Down here, like up there. Click the link.
It started good.
Yeah.
It's like, no power.
The power happened, yeah. Or the lack of power.
Should I show him how to do it?
I'm getting into the tired stage now, like lazy. Is that camera? Yeah. Hi. How are you? How are you? Go stand right in front, and I can just go like, whoa, and it's only gonna splash from the rear wheel.
As you can see, Andreas is loading up the bikes. We had a great day finishing up now. Yeah, how was it from your seat?
Well, it's been a great day. I think the boys has really enjoyed to do something different and to get to try these 27 Husqvarnas. Yeah, these bikes are pretty impressive coming out of the box. So yeah, a good day.
See you guys later.
Yeah, see you later.
Salut, à la prochaine. Merci beaucoup.
À bientôt.
Obrigado.
Bye, bestie.
See you later.
Bye.
Salut, tot de volgende. I don't know more languages.